Hi, I'm Nana, and I'm going to show you how to configure a media server in Fedora 14, which include radio and video streaming. Media storage is basically the media server, which can be stored MP3, video, and other media file that can access remotely in one location. Okay, but for installing this configure the media server, we need to install the RPM Fusion for Fedora 14. So open the terminal and before configure or installing anything, we need to log in as root, password, and then we finally can install the RPM Fusion using RPM command. The download website. Free. And then enter. Okay, it is installed. Just a quick installation, and then just then we have installed the free RPM Fusion. So now we're gonna install the non-free one. The non-free one is usually come with together with the free one. So in order to install the non-free, we will be using also the RPM command. It usually come from the same website, so just type in the same website and the non-free RPM Fusion. Non-free for Fedora. Enter. Okay, it is installed. Okay, both RPM Fusion is installed, so now we're gonna download the Subsonic. Subsonic here we will use as the media server. Okay, Subsonic is a cross-platform, free, open source, web-based music and video streaming that can provide access through the music and video collection, or any media file that you wish to share. Okay, we're gonna use the wget command and the website, which we're gonna download the Subsonic. connecting. Okay, it is download. Now this may take a few seconds, so I don't know, a few minutes. Yeah, and I will pause and we'll be back after the download is complete. Okay, now we're back, and you can see that the download is already complete. So now we're gonna install the Subsonic. Remind you that just then we just download the Subsonic, not install it. So you're gonna use the rpm command for install the Subsonic, because the Subsonic was in rpm extension, so you can use rpm command and then the path which is in root, and then the file name subsonic 4.7.rpm. So enter. Yeah, starting the Subsonic, so it should be installed. And now, because it is already installed, so we can open the Subsonic in a browser. So we're gonna click Mozilla, which I'll be using, and then because Subsonic is using a specific URL and HTTP, and it should be your IP for the server. So we're gonna use the wired connection one, which I already set, the static IP. So this gonna be my static IP for this Fedora 14 server 172.16.20.2, and then the port, which the Subsonic default port 4040, and enter. This is the main page for the Subsonic site. So it requested the username and password. Okay, because this is the first time we serving the web page, so we need to change the password, username. Yeah, so we need to click here. Currently the username was assigned to admin. So this is the insert view of the Subsonic. So change and administrate the password, and we can change the password. So this is the user, we are admin, so click on the change password and type in the new password. So this is my password, and click save. So the setting was saved, and then before we started to adding any media file in our Subsonic, we need to install the dependency requirement for our distribution. So we're gonna just log out, and then I'm gonna minimize this, and we're back to the terminal. Connect to the internet. Okay, and then we're gonna use the sudo command. Okay, the sudo command is not just for Ubuntu, it also can be used by other Linux OS. So yum install Java. Okay. gonna hit enter. Okay, this may take a few minutes, so I'm going to pause again and we'll be back when our installation is complete. Okay, now we finish installing the dependency requirement for our distribution, and now we're gonna enable the video streaming. To enable the video streaming, we need to edit the subsonic configuration file to allow transcoding of various video. The file is named playlist.jsp. Because subsonic is only the audio streaming server, so we need to configure it to allow video streaming. So we will use sudo and then now var subsonic. Jadi this is the path name. JSP. So we're gonna hit enter, and there you have it, the content of the playlist.jsp file. So in this file we gonna go to the last function. Okay, there is many function here, so we need to add an extra function in the file. Okay. As you can see, this is the last function that listed in the file, so we need to add another one to enable the video. Step and then type in function index dialog edit. Oh no. Need to correct this. Type in wrongly. Skip this. update. Wow. So, title. So okay, this is the format that we will be keying. Okay, we'll be keying all the format possible to play the video. editing the configuration file. Now to save, we will press the Ctrl O and then hit enter, and then to exit we Ctrl X. So there it is. We already configured the configuration file in Subsonic to allow video, and now we will be we'll be moving the video file or any media file you wish to share to the Subsonic server. Now okay, this is the video file and the audio file that I have downloaded, and I put it on the desktop so that you can see it. And now we will be moving both audio files to a directory that we will be linked from the Subsonic. Okay. Now the video file, just copy it, and okay, this is the video file, so we'll be putting it in the video folder. Okay, and the audio file, putting in the music folder. Okay, after that we need to verify the path for each and every media file that we wish to share. So we're gonna open the file, the Subsonic. I think we have already opened it. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay, because we have already changed the password just now, so we'll be using that password to log in. Oh, I forgot to change. Okay. Now, in order to specify the path, we need to go to setting, and here you can see that there is only one path and one folder directed to from the Subsonic. Okay, remember the name of the folder, we just put video. Okay, it is the video. This is the name of the folder. This is the path. And, slash the folder, and click on save. Okay, the setting was saved, and we will add another folder, which is music, that we have stored the audio file. Music, and save. Play. Both path has been specified, so now Okay, now we can refresh it since it is already been saved. There you have it, both is been displayed at the corner. Now this is the video file and this is the audio file. So in order to play it, we need to get the flash player. So we need to enter this. Okay, click it. And it will be directed to the Adobe Flash installation site, and we need to select version to download. Okay, I will select RPM for Linux and download now. Okay, this take a few minutes. Just wait until it finish. Okay, download complete. Install it. Okay, this just takes some time. Okay, finish. So we're gonna go back to the subsonic and click on the audio file. Okay, this can take some time to adjust. Oh no. Okay. Okay, now the flash toggle has shown up. It takes some time to adjust in the browser. So now we can play music. So we just click on the audio file. Yeah, you can see that it's buffering first and then it started playing. So we can hear it from here. There. Play well. And then we can pause it and press the video file. Okay, the video file is here. Yeah, you can hear the sound. Yeah, it shows that it's buffering from the location of the folder. And down here we can see that it's buffering. So we can stop it and play it. And then other than this, we can also add new user because we are admin. So in order to create a new user, it may register a user that you wish. So we're going to go to the settings and click on users. Now here you select users and then the privilege that we want for the user, and then the password that the user will be using. Now username, for example, me, Nana, and then the email. And the password. And click save. Okay, setting was saved. And okay, that this user can log in as user. Okay, we can log out to test the new user. Okay, it's Nana and password. Log in. See that the view of the user in the page is not the same as the admin because it's only the admin only allows certain privilege to this user. So it just show the recently play, most play, top rate, and other settings. Then the user can play the video file and audio file that is shared.